Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what it is, okay? So earlier today I oh wait, let me be sure. Okay, yeah. We are live now. So earlier today I tried we had a live streaming section where I anticipated a buy signal, which ended up we did not get a confirmation on that, and I made a promise that on the next quarter that I'll be right back here to pretty much see if we can get any entry. Okay, so that's why I'm back here. So you guys already can see right there on the screen. Those text you see there is from the previous live stream. So apologies if you experience some lagging in the video. My network is not that fantastic. I want to point that out. And also one thing I want to point out is that I won't be doing much, talking. I'll be more into the chat, so don't feel left out if you're just hearing music, and probably you'll be seeing the charts moving up and down and me adding text on the charts and etc. But if need that I should talk or explain, most likely I would pause the video. No, I'll pause the music and explain or walk you guys through what I'm actually doing. Okay, but for now I think this is self-explanatory. I'll just give an insight for the people that don't know. So basically I use the quarter theory, whereby I trade with time. And when I say I use the quarter theory, I don't mean that I use it based on the concept of it, but I just use it based on my understanding of it. Okay, so what I understand about quarter theory, and also what am I expecting from the market. So there are things I'm expecting to see in the market before I can make my decisions on that. Also, like I said, I want to apologize on time, just in case you guys are experiencing some lagging here and there. I'm already getting some notification here that my network is not so fantastic from YouTube. I wish there is something I can do about that, but for now we just have to manage. Okay, so let me get to the chart before, to avoid getting left behind. But the way I'm seeing this, I'm still anticipating a buy, but the way I'm seeing it, I don't know if we are going to get any good confirmation before time. I like to trade on the Q3. So as you guys can see, if you see Q3 right there on the chart. So yeah, let me go ahead and draw out and draw some things out on the charts that would pretty much help me in making my decisions. Okay, nobody can judge me, so listen, my next plan. Married to the game, I told him about the best man. The best even men, Kalana, the cast. Where were you? When men were mad. Where were you? Hey, when leg on a fence. Where were you? When men were mad. Hey, now we never lie in the body, I will lie in the fence. Man, the man on like 100 men will go pull up. Men, they see what I heal us. Men got
go to Sadi, member shop bets, na coupon, and when like 100 men will go blow. Sign out to the Jesus. Menga go to Sadi, member shop bets, na coupon, and when like 100 men will go blow. Sign out to the Jesus. Menga go to Sadi, member shop bets, na coupon, and when like 100 men will go blow. Men now wife and a hiller. Menga go to Sadi, member shop bets, na coupon. Nah, see, as I get so on a man. Nah, he jealous so on a man. Nah, Joey Zaza book a man. Hey, Obi Kubana bo man. Kuda so on a man. Arise Bond so on a man. Dollar Tesla so on a man. Epa Zesto. Nobelera wafi no way book a man. Solo Jess on a man. Uji Nabs for man. Lexi so a man.
Well, like I said, I am anticipating a buy, but where the market is currently, it's so much far away from my confirmation point, and I don't know if we are going to get a confirmation on this one also, but if we don't, I'll leave it alone, and yeah, that's just it. And rule number one is make sure you follow your strategy, okay? And if whatever I'm looking out for the market to do, if the market doesn't do that, if the market doesn't meet all those requirements that I have, there are requirements that I have that I use in confirming my entry, okay? So if the market doesn't give me all those, it doesn't meet all those requirements, trust me, I will not be interested in taking any trade, okay? Like, I'll give you an example. Remember the first, not like an example, but my first live streaming today was here. I was waiting for a confirmation. We did not get the confirmation, and you see how the market later sold off. So this time around again, I'm waiting for a confirmation. Most likely, I'm not going to see it because just looking at the chart, I can just see it because first of all, where our fixed volume range is here, the market is still way away from it. So yeah, and like I said, I like to execute in Q3. Okay, so and Q3 I've already started and no confirmation, so that means for me I won't be trading this morning. So based on my strategy, I will not be trading this morning, so I'll be waiting for the New York. I think the market is just going up now, but like I said, it's already past our confirmation timeline. So the time we wanted to get this confirmation was in Q2. I like to get my confirmation in Q2 and starting in the middle of Q2 or ending of Q2, start of Q3, okay? But that did not happen, so no trade for me. Is there no trade, no entry zone for me? So I'm not going to participate in London opening. I would have to wait for the New York opening for me to try again, okay? With that said, I just also want to point out something real quick before I leave the live streaming session, okay? One thing I want to point out is the fact that I did not get a confirmation doesn't mean that there is nothing else to trade in the market, okay? And I want to point out something. Here is it. If you're a trader, what you should be looking out for is understand your way of trading. Once you understand the trading psychology that fits you right, then what you should try to do is find that thing that you look out for in the market. So for me, I have a set of setup that I look out for in the market, and I have particular times that I look out for those setup. Okay, so once I see those setup and the setup is confirmed, I will participate in the market. If I don't see it, I will not participate in the market. And there are times where I would not see the setup, I will not participate in the market, but the market will still end up going my direction. I don't feel bad about it. And the reason why I will not feel bad about it is because I know that I followed my strategy. I know I followed my rules. And in a situation whereby you're sure that you followed everything in your playbook, if it works out, fine. If it doesn't work out, fine. The most important thing is always make sure you follow your rules. Any rules you have for yourself, you have to follow it, and you have to be consistent with it. It's not when maybe you have a set of rules, it works today, tomorrow it doesn't work, you now start changing the rules. No, you have to stick with the rules. You have to run enough back test on that rule to be able to convince yourself beyond every doubt that even in the next 10 years I'll be executing market following this particular rule. And you have to stick with those rules. Okay, so that's why you see me, I'm not forcing any trades. I'm not going to be like, okay, since this doesn't work out, let's try to do this. No, I have something that I'm looking out for. If I see it, I participate. If I don't see it, I'll let the market be. Okay, so right about now, I did not see any confirmation. I think this market will still continue to sell down, though I'm not going to participate in it, but I'm just speculating. Okay, considering the fact that the bullish confirmation that I have in mind, it's not coming forth, so it means that the market still wants to go down. Well, yeah, that's it, guys. I don't want this video to be long. I thought I'm going to see a very good setup or a good confirmation, but none of them came for me this morning. So for me, London Open, no trades. The New York Open will be around 12:01 my time, 12 noon 1 my time. I am on GMT +1. I know when you guys will be watching this video, maybe that might not be the time. Okay, but like I said, this is live streaming section, so yeah. Well, I think I'll just maybe go and watch some anime, or maybe read some book, or maybe do some exercise. I don't know, but I'll just have to do other things while I wait for the New York Open. For now, I have to go, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the New York Open. Hopefully we will see a good setup that time. All right, so yeah, that is it for me. And for the guys that are wondering, why am I waiting for the New York? We still have a lot of time. Yeah, we still have a lot of time, but I don't trade in those time. Okay, I only trade on Q2 and Q3. Okay, when I mean Q2, Q3, I'm talking about quarter 2, quarter 3. Okay, so those are the only quarter that I like to participate in. So I don't like trading Q1, I don't like trading Q4, I like trading Q2 and Q3. All right, so with that said, guys, I have to go, and I'll see you guys in the New York Open. If you guys love what we do here, you know what to do. Use the like button and subscribe so that you won't miss out on content like this. Okay, well, if you want to participate more closer to what we do here, I have a Discord channel. Okay, and maybe I'll provide the link to that much later. Okay, for now I've got to go. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.